Welcome to Gear Speed Hub. Today we're going to talk about the Suzuki Alto 2025, which has become more expensive this year due to its new and updated features. The 2025 Alto brings a range of improvements, making it a strong contender in the small car segment. The exterior of the Suzuki Alto 2025 looks stylish and modern, with a redesigned front grille, sharper headlights, and a more aggressive bumper. The compact shape makes it easy to maneuver through busy city streets, while still offering enough space for your daily commutes. The rear design is simplified yet elegant, adding to its overall appeal. Under the hood, the Alto 2025 is powered by a small but efficient engine that delivers impressive mileage while retaining strong performance for its class. The automatic transmission makes city driving convenient, and the suspension is tuned for a comfortable ride, even on rough roads. The brakes respond quickly, adding greater control and safety. Inside, the cabin offers a surprisingly comfortable space for both the driver and passengers. The seats are well cushioned, and there's plenty of legroom in both the front and rear seats. The infotainment system includes a touchscreen, a multimedia player, and smartphone connectivity, keeping you connected to your favorite apps and entertainment while you're on the move. Safety is a major consideration for Suzuki in the 2025 Alto. The car is equipped with essential safety features, including airbags, seatbelt warning, rear parking sensors, and an improved stability control system. All these make the new Alto a reliable and trustworthy ride for you and your family. While the price of the Suzuki Alto 2025 is higher than previous models, it's a reflection of its new features, improved performance, and greater safety. The updated Alto stands out as a strong option for those looking for a small car that's stylish, comfortable, and easy to drive in busy city environments. If you like this video and want to watch more reviews and updates, make sure to subscribe to Gear Speed Hub. Thank you for watching, and see you in the following video.